I'll show you this new ramp we just got. We've been doing a lot of moving, remodeling, bringing in stuff. So we got this ramp for that. This is also going to be a ramp that's going to be fantastic for people with special needs, mobility issues, you needing a wheelchair, scooter, something like that, getting over a larger threshold like we have here going into our front door. This product is extremely sturdy, has a weight limit of up to 600 pounds. That's pretty heavy. You're going to handle most anything that you're going to throw at it. Obviously, you know, stepping on it and standing on it, jumping on it might make it wear down maybe a little bit faster, but 600 pounds is a pretty dang high weight limit here. Super lightweight, made out of aluminum. Folds up real nice, just like this. Great little handle right here, just to carry. On the top side here, has these rubber strips. This is going to be what's going to go on your threshold and secure, not secure, but help the whole unit to not slip. So real important when you unfold it, watch your fingers just in case you might get pinched, but to get the right angle. So if you get it too high up here, like that, those rubber straps are not going to touch, so it might move around a little bit. Get the angle right, get it down some more. And now those rubber strips up there really help kind of secure this thing into place. So like I said, we've been doing a lot of moving. This thing has been fantastic for like using a dolly to get stuff in and out of that door. If you got a dolly with a bunch of boxes on it or whatever, and it's heavy and you can't get it up over this little threshold here, that's what this ramp has been fantastic for. It makes it just a nice smooth process, safer. You're not going to be dropping things. That's been really nice. If you are using it with someone like in a wheelchair or something, these little side rails right here, going to make sure that the wheelchair doesn't slide off the edge. So safety, big key there, which is really nice because you don't want someone sending it off the edge of it. Great little unit here. Not just for thresholds, but even for like getting into like a special needs van, something along those lines, an RV or whatever it may be that you need to get someone up who can't take a step or needs a little bit more help, or like I said, getting equipment in and out without having to use a step. This is a fantastic product. Highly recommend it. Go check those out. It's a good one.